Guys, welcome back to the your own channel, guys. So we can do the previous analysis, what we expected and how it behaved, what we have discussed, and now we can also see the how next week it works. Okay guys, this is in the smaller time frame. You can see that this is the trend line. After this break, exactly it's taken here support. Okay, your SL will be somewhere here only, guys. So you can see that how nicely it's taken a support and goes upside, and you can seeing here exactly it's taken once again breaks its trend line and taken support and going up. But this is in a bigger time frame. I will show you. You can see here somewhere here only taking resistance, and right now it's taking a support right now. Okay guys, this is in a bigger time frame. Okay guys, now we can see in natural gas also. You can see that what we have exactly discussed, that only happened here. Breakout has been happened at this green candle only. You have to buy, and SL will be this green candle only, because this is the bullish candle. After that you can see that continuously consolidate, but after breakout you can see that how nicely consolidate. After that, I have told you up till here only exactly it's achieve over all the four target. You can see here guys how accurate our analysis is. That okay guys. So in gold analysis also we can discuss. In gold analysis also it taken resistance somewhere here only. Okay guys, but this is the very big candle. You can see here big green red candle, so we cannot enter in this candle. So we have waited. After that it continuously taking resistance. After this is the breakout. After somewhere it is taking, right now it's taken properly as support, so it will move upside in this week. Okay guys, we can also see in coffee has been given us very nice momentum guys. This is the momentum. After somewhere here only it goes upside momentum. After our reach first target, it is consolidating. After once again came taken support, but this is broken. You can see here exactly here broken. So you have to buy here somewhere, and your SL will be somewhere here only. You can see that how nicely it achieves over all the two target. Okay guys, right now also it is taking resistance. So we can see next in palladium also. You can see here what we have discussed. It takes support, but it doesn't take support and goes upside momentum only, and came downside and continuously in a sideways market. Okay guys, now we can see the how all these will behave in this week. Okay guys, right now it is exactly taken support. So what we can do is that if it will breaks, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, this will act as a resistance. Okay guys, you can see here this will be the area where it will act as a resistance, and you have to see that it has to broke this. Okay guys, after that only you can go for upside momentum. Otherwise you don't want to take in upside momentum. If once again take here resistance and make M pattern, then you can go for your first target guys, second target only. After that it may be reverse, it will not reverse, then your third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see next natural gas. Natural gas is I think so all time high only. We can switch it in on daily time frame. You can see that it is on the all time high in natural gas. So it is right now it's doing is 90-degree in upside momentum. So this whatever 90-degree will happen, this momentum never sustain. Remember that it never sustain. So right now what we can see is that, so it has to come downside up till here. What we expect 6.50. Okay guys, so we can go for a smaller time frame in 1 hourly time frame and switch it up. So right now it's in a bullishness market only, but what I am seeing is that it is at all time high, and now it's time to, it came downside. So our resistance will be somewhere here only. So it makes M pattern or something. Our first target somewhere here only guys, second target will be here guys, third target and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target. If possibilities that it will break, consolidate and came downside, or it goes first target, second, third, and you can go further also. But this is the all-time high and it's making at 90-degree. So always remember 90-degree never sustain. So I think it gonna fall right now. Okay guys, this week totally in the consolidation phase it goes, otherwise it came downside momentum. Okay guys, very rarely I am seeing that it goes upside. If any news or something happened, then it maybe goes upside, but my view is that it became sideways or came downside. Okay guys, we can see in gold. Okay guys, in gold what we expect is that right now it's taken a support. Okay guys, so you have to see that this has to break out, or you can buy here somewhere on only. Okay guys, if once again came downside and take support, then our first target, if second, third, and you can go for fourth target too. Okay guys, if it is continuously going upside and broken this, then you can go for first, second, and third target. Okay guys, we can see next is that what we have discussed is that coffee. Okay guys, exactly taken resistance somewhere here only, take resistance once again, come first, second, and our third target. Okay guys, so coffee will do very slowly momentum. So right now you can see that it continuously taking resistance. Suppose it came once again upside, our first, second, and third target will be here only. Okay guys, it doesn't gives us bigger momentum, but here only it taken support, gives us first target only. If you have trailed your SL, or your SL will be hit somewhere here only. Okay guys, after this swing is break, you have taken, so you have got very nice trade in coffee too. Okay guys, we can see in palladium. Okay guys, in here also one of the major trend line is seeing I am. Okay guys, I will just draw it for you guys somewhere here like this. Okay guys, this is the one of the trend line, and this is continuously acting as supporting area. Okay guys, right now, so it is the best place. If it will break, then our first target will be a second target, you can go for third target, and even you can go for fourth target too. Okay guys, if it will consolidate and break, okay guys, if it will came downside and taken resistance, then our first target will be here guys, second, our third target, our fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside, but probability is very high that it will breaks upside and gives us very nice momentum in upside momentum. Okay guys, so this is all the analysis. If you like my video guys, please like and share with your friends and families guys. Thank you guys.